This is number 9 from the 2025 Algebra 1 EOC. It says, which statement about the zeros of h of x equals 3x minus 5 times x plus 7 is true? So we're dealing with a quadratic function, and I know that because if we multiplied all this out, we would end up with x squared and then the rest of the equation. Now they're asking a question about the zeros of this function. So remember that zeros are the same thing as x-intercept or the solution to a quadratic equation. And so the way that we solve a quadratic equation is we take it and set it equal to 0. So we're going to do 0 is equal to 3 times x minus 5 times x plus 7. So the only way to make the right side of the equation equal to 0 is to have this set of parentheses equal to 0, because whenever you multiply by 0, you get 0. Or we have to get this parentheses equal to 0. And so that's what we're going to do to solve. So we're going to set x minus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 7 equal to 0. And now we just solve each equation for x. So on the left, we just add 5 on both sides to get x is equal to positive 5. And on the right, we're going to subtract 7 and we'll get x is equal to negative 7. So those are our two zeros, and if we look at our answer choices, only letter C has 5 and negative 7, so letter C is going to be our final answer. If you're getting ready for the Algebra 1 EOC or just need help with Algebra 1, go ahead and check out my website that I designed for students and parents just like you. It has thousands of practice problems and all my video lessons on there, and it truly has everything you need to master Algebra 1. So if you want to check it out, just comment all day and I'll send you the link.